Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Rain Talks. Um, what makes you tick? Tick, tick. What is your passion? Where you want to reach? What do you want to achieve? Or maybe where do you see yourself in next 5 years? These are some of the questions we all encounter. You must have encountered. So, and what is your passion? Things like that. You can only answer them first to yourself. Now, if you want to answer these to yourself and you have other such questions in your mind and in your heart, then you need to tap into your intrapersonal skills. Yes, interpersonal with other people, intrapersonal connectivity with your inner self. If you apply the same rules like listening, empathy, problem solving, conflict resolution, emotional balancing, these are all interpersonal skills, but same goes for intrapersonal skills. That is with other people. Intrapersonal is with yourself, how well you are connected with yourself. So if you apply these rules, if you listen to yourself, if you are aware of your goals, objectives, how you want to reach them, what really is your passion, what comes from inside. It's like motivation. Motivation cannot come from outside. It's always inside of you because motivation itself comes from the word motive. Motive is always inside. So if you are well connected with your inner self and if you are able to answer these questions, then you have a healthy relationship with yourself. This will help you. It will ensure that you have mental health, peace, physical health, and serenity inside. So there may be situations, there may be people, there may be challenges which gives you stress or anxiety or you're worried about them. But if you are well connected with yourself, if you listen to yourself, you understand your own motives and emotions, then you will be able to surpass any challenges. And this will also help you manage your relationship with others as well. So this is a small overview of intrapersonal skills. Essentially, it is connecting with your inner self and balancing as you go forward. Or even you sit down and think about things which have happened or which might happen, but then you come up with the answers. So until next time, see you then. In the meantime, if you have not yet followed me, follow for more videos like this and the learning continues. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.